Yo, what is up everybody? Do you want to save a video of TikTok to your camera roll? Well, you guys are at the right video, because in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can save a TikTok video to your camera roll. But before I start the video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification turned on to our channel, because it helps our channel to grow. And before I start this video, be sure to watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So to save a TikTok video to your camera roll, basically you need to download the video. And to download the video, you need to follow the steps. You can click on this button over here. Once you click on this button, this thing opens up. Once this thing opens up, you can click on this where it says save video. So basically we're downloading this video. Once this video downloads, it's going to be saved to your gallery. Let me go into my gallery right now. As you guys can see over here, the video has been saved to my gallery. So that's basically how you save a video to a camera roll. Now remember, all the videos are not, downloadable. Sometimes the video you want can't be downloaded because the creator has not allowed the video to be downloaded. So if you do not see the save video button over there, that means the video can't be downloaded. So let me find a video like that. So as you guys can see, I click on this button over here in this video and I can't download it. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on. Comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day.